What's up, YouTube fam? This is Angel, and today I'll be doing a little walkthrough of my AR30 D30 pesticide pump, also known as a roof pump. So I've had this for a total of 22 hours so far. Um, I started off with a 5.5 gallon per minute Everflow pump. It's actually still over here. There it is, right there. This is my old proportioner. It was great while I had it. It got the job done, made me a lot of money. And then recently, I had some money to upgrade the rig, and I always wanted a gas roof pump, and I went for the AR30 just because of the housing right here. It's all, I believe it's stainless steel. I'm not sure. Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong. But these are so much more rigid. And to me, reliability is everything. I think it shoots out about 9.5 gallons per minute versus AR45 and Comet P40. I'll do this all day as long as it stays on running for hours and hours without breaking. Um, so yeah, so far it's been amazing. And over here, I actually plumbed a pulse pump um, because I noticed really quickly that within an hour or just about over an hour, um, you run out of gas, and it was annoying to constantly refill the gas tank and do that multiple times a day, depending on how big the job was. So I did that, and it's been working amazing. I have it plumbed right here to my 12-gallon gas tank. I also have my pressure washer hooked up as well. I did a test the other day. Um, had both of them running at the same time, even with this Y connection right here, and it was pulling gas just fine. The Predator motor does not pull that much gas. It will literally look like this the whole time while you're running it, and it looks like it's not getting any gas, but it is. So so far, man, this thing has been amazing. When I do roofs, I like to stay at around 3. If I'm doing like a house wash and I want to move fast, have some more rinsing power, I'll go to 4. Um, People say or have said that you can't adjust this while the motor and the pump is on. That is a lie. You can, as long as um, you have your ball valve completely open, um, and there's no restriction of flow. You are more than able to adjust this on the fly. If I had my ball valve closed and there was nowhere for the excess pressure to go, um, this little thing right here would blow, and you would have to replace it. Um, but I haven't had any issues with it. Um, One thing I did uh, go through when I first got it, I had everything clamped with just one hose clamp, and I was first time using it on the roof cleaning. I was up on the extension ladder, 2-story, and this blew off. So I had bleach in the line, so I had bleach going everywhere. And then I had one hose barb connected on every outlet, and this blew off first. Then the barb or the hose connected to the reel blew off. It was a fucking shit show that first day. And since then, I've attached 2 hose barbs to every single outgoing connection, and I've used this for, I don't know, 10, 15 hours since, and it hasn't blown off since. You can get the, I think they're called the T-bolt clamps, and they work perfectly fine. I think they actually work better than that. So, all right, so we'll go over here. Everything is plumbed with 1 inch. Um, I have I got these valves from Cigar City Soft Wash. They're local to me. You could check them out online. They sell a bunch of stuff, rigs, equipment, um, parts, whatever you can think of. They probably have. Um, Everything is 1 inch for the hose going into my tank. I have the uni seals on top, and I love those so much more than the bulkheads. So much more easier to install, and you don't have to worry about the bulkheads ever, cracking on you. Eventually, fading out, getting weaker, all that bull crap. Um, so over here, I have a banjo, 3-way. And the reason why I have this is so when I am pulling bleach, I'll flip this over to bleach, and when I turn this on, it'll pull from here, and everything will be working just fine. And then at the end of the day, I want to rinse this out as well as this, so I'll just flip this to water, and then it'll rinse all of this out and this because I learned this from I forgot his name, but he has a channel, All Pro Exterior Services. He did this to preserve the life of this motor because this is $350 and this is like $60. So I'd much rather keep this on the truck as long as I can and replace this, once a year or once every 2 years versus this. Um, so yeah, I mean, this is it. I have an on and off switch over here. Um, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. Um, my plumbing or my hose is a half-inch ag hose from Spur Depot. I think its max psi is 800 psi, um, and I have it connected to a swivel and also a half-inch stainless steel. I believe it's stainless steel. It's a DN15, not a DN10, because it's a um, half inch quick connect. And then I have the same setup on my gun. I actually have my soft water, my 5.5 gallon, um, my my 12-volt pump with a half-inch quick connect as well, just in case I have to use my um, 12-volt in case this takes a shit. But so far so good. Um, and so you see here, I have a Water Boss, I think 750, I think it's called. Yeah, so far so good. Um, I believe that is everything. Um, yeah. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, um, just holler at me. And most of the stuff that you see on my rig, it wasn't. I'm not a freaking wizard. I I learned and copied from other people on YouTube. All Pro Exterior Services was my main guy in watching all of this. And then also there's a guy, House Washing. I think that's his YouTube channel name. It's an older guy. And he's helped me a lot as well because he has an AR30. So, but yeah, if you guys have any questions, just holler at me and I'll try to answer them for you. All right. See you.